Hello, in this video we are going to take a look at setting up our database, our PyMySQL database. It's actually really simple to install, and what you want to do is you want to open up the Python IDLE. I'm doing it in a local environment so I can actually install Python MySQL. And now what we want to do is create a new file. So we're going to launch up a new file, and to actually obviously use Python we need to just put this. We've done this before, so this is just the path to Python. So save down, let's save it to my desktop, call it file.py, and now what we're going to do in here, we are going to put a line called import PyMySQL and save that. And if we click file, run module, that's great, it runs. If you get any errors, something along the lines of PyMySQL module, it doesn't exist, something along those lines, so open up your terminal, your command line, type in pip install PyMySQL, and I've already got installed, so it says requirement already satisfied, otherwise it will install it. So that's it for actually installing PyMySQL. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or if you have any problems installing MySQL for Python, feel free to let me know and I'll help you out. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.